How to launch a faceless YouTube channel with Fliki, a step-by-step guide. Welcome, content creators. Ever wondered how to build a YouTube channel without showing your face? Today, we'll explore how to do just that with the help of Fliki, a fantastic text-to-video tool that empowers you to create visually engaging content without stepping in front of a camera. Whether you're looking to maintain privacy or focus on the craft, this comprehensive guide will walk you through each step needed to launch a successful faceless channel. First, let's introduce you to Fliki, an innovative platform designed for creators who prefer the behind-the-scenes approach. Fliki transforms text into captivating videos, using images, animations, and other media to bring your scripts to life. Embracing Fliki for your faceless channel offers numerous benefits. Primarily, it allows you to channel your creative energies into content creation by freeing you from the constraints of on-camera performance. Starting with Fliki is straightforward. Head over to the Fliki website and create an account. The registration process is intuitive, requiring only basic information to get you up and running. Once your account is set up, you'll gain access to Fliki's potential, from transforming scripts into polished videos to exploring its extensive media library. Navigating Fliki's user-friendly interface is your next step. You'll quickly identify key features that make content creation smooth and efficient. Familiarize yourself with the versatile templates available. These templates serve as the backbone for video creation, enabling you to streamline your workflow. Experiment with text animations and multimedia elements, as these tools help make your videos more engaging and dynamic. Now that you're equipped with technical know-how, it's time to draft your script. A compelling narrative is your best friend for grabbing and retaining viewers' attention. Prioritize clarity and resonance by using language that speaks directly to your audience's needs and interests. Consider storytelling techniques that create emotional connections, such as starting with a hook or incorporating relatable anecdotes. Crafting a distinctive voice in your script can be pivotal to the success of your channel. With your script ready, it's time to bring it into Fliki's script editor. Here, writing becomes an art form. Input your text and keep formatting clean and easy to follow. As you edit, remember the virtues of conciseness and clarity. Ensure your script isn't cluttered. Instead, focus on delivering powerful messages succinctly. This will enhance not just the readability, but also the overall effectiveness when converted into video format. Visuals are crucial in keeping your audience engaged. In Fliki, selecting the right imagery is a breeze. Comb through its robust library to find photos and clips that align with your narrative. Search for images that complement your key points and serve as visual anchors throughout the video. The success lies in the mood these visuals evoke, keeping your audience visually stimulated and engaged with the storyline. Bring your video to life by expertly using Fliki's animations and transitions. A balanced use of these elements enriches visual appeal without overwhelming the viewer. Opt for subtle, professional transitions that guide viewers gracefully through the content, maintaining focus on your message. Consider color schemes, fonts, and animations that match the tone and theme of your content for a polished and professional look. Complement visuals with appropriate background music, a crucial element in setting the tone and mood. Fliki offers an array of tracks within its library, suited for various emotional responses. Pick music that enhances the video's message without overpowering the narrative. Carefully matching music to your content enhances engagement and sustains interest throughout your video. Before finalizing your creation, conduct a meticulous review to ensure narrative coherence and visual consistency. Cross-check that every piece of media aligns with its corresponding script section. Polish your edits and make necessary adjustments for both clarity and engagement. Only when you're confident that your video hits all the right notes should you proceed to exporting. Exporting your video from Fliki is a seamless process. Simply navigate to the export options and choose your desired format. Adjust settings to balance video quality with manageable file sizes, allowing for easy upload and sharing. These steps ensure that your creation reaches viewers in the highest quality possible, crucial for maintaining professionalism and appeal. With your video ready, focus on making it discoverable via search engines. Craft compelling titles and descriptions, and incorporate keywords that accurately describe your content. Effective SEO ensures your videos are easily found by viewers searching for your topics, enhancing your channel's reach and growth potential. Your video's thumbnail is the first visual interaction a potential viewer will have. Make it count by designing thumbnails that capture attention and encourage clicks. Use clear, high-quality images or bold graphics, and integrate text that reflects key aspects of your content. An eye-catching thumbnail is a gateway to attracting a broader audience. With your video published, it's time to promote it. Leverage social media platforms to share your content, reaching a diverse audience. Engage actively with your subscribers and other YouTube creators to build a community around your channel. Responding to comments and feedback creates a rapport that encourages repeat viewership. Understanding your audience is critical. YouTube's analytics tools provide insights into viewer demographics and behavior. Monitor metrics such as watch time, click-through rates, and subscriber growth to gauge your video performance. Analyzing these numbers helps you tailor future content to better meet audience preferences. Building an engaging channel involves more than just publishing videos. Foster community interaction by showcasing viewer comments or featuring user-generated content. Maintain a consistent upload schedule to cultivate anticipation and reliability among your subscribers, boosting channel loyalty. Creating a faceless channel isn't without its challenges. Stay prepared by anticipating possible hurdles, such as feeling disconnected from your audience. Mitigate this by injecting personality into your scripts and engaging actively via comments or live condas. Techniques like maintaining a strong branded theme can help build recognition and trust with your audience. In the digital age, keeping content fresh is vital. Regular updates not only attract new subscribers, but also keep existing viewers engaged. Explore current trends, seasonal topics, or new angles on popular subjects to ensure your channel remains relevant and dynamic. Viewer feedback provides valuable insights for refining your content. Regularly analyze comments and viewer suggestions to inform content improvements. Keeping an open mind toward constructive criticism drives your channel's growth and helps maintain an engaged audience. Keep an eye on new functionalities within Fliki to continually enhance your videos. Stay informed on upcoming features or lesser-known tools that could streamline your workflow or enhance creativity, ensuring your content production remains top-notch. Beyond YouTube, explore how Fliki can be utilized in other formats, such as social media snippets, educational tutorials, or promotional content. Versatility is key to maximizing this tool's potential across different content platforms. With fundamentals mastered, delve into more advanced techniques. Create intricate storyboards to streamline video production or experiment with pacing and narration styles. Refining these skills can result in more sophisticated and engaging content. In an industry driven by rapid change, continual learning is essential. Stay updated with trends, tools, and algorithm changes, seeking opportunities to refine skills and elevate content quality. Adaptability ensures longevity and success in content creation. Engage with the Fliki user community to share experiences, tips, and troubleshoot common issues. Collective wisdom from fellow creators can provide fresh perspectives and solutions, aiding your journey to success. Consider leveraging YouTube's monetization features once your channel gains a following. Explore revenue streams beyond ad revenue, such as sponsorships, merchandise, or fan funding, which can supplement your earnings and enable continued creativity. As a content creator, adhering to copyright and fair use standards is crucial. Ensure your visual content, music, and scripts comply with legal guidelines to avoid potential infringements or channel strikes. Technical glitches can be disruptive. Familiarize yourself with Fliki's customer support resources to quickly resolve any issues that may arise. A proactive approach ensures a smooth workflow and minimizes downtime. Continue honing your craft by seeking out additional educational resources. Consider online courses, webinars, and industry forums to stay abreast of content creation advancements and trends. And there you have it, a complete guide to launching a faceless YouTube channel using Fliki. We've covered the essentials from setting up your account to optimizing video content for maximum engagement and reach. Remember, the key is in consistency, creativity, and community engagement. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content tailored to content creators. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below or share your Fliki creations with us. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.